La la la.
How you doing? Just trying to get the hell home, man. I'm coming cross country from Palm Springs, California.
How's it going? Got your license on you?
I do.
You know why I'm pulling you over?
Not really.
72 mile an hour.
Well, I don't exactly know how fast I'm going.
Okay.
Because tachometer's a little off.
Okay.
To be completely honest, but 72?
72.
72.
Yes, sir.
Wow. Huh. I really don't believe that one, but yeah. Because it's a 250, man.
Step back here, car for me for a second.
Hang on, let me grab the insurance too, man.
No, you're fine. I believe you got insurance on it. Stay out of your bag for me. All right. Step back here, car for me. I'll show you something.
Yeah.
See the yellow?
I do.
What's it say?
It does say 72. I really don't believe that though.
That radar is yet to lie to me.
And how can you get it behind? Cause
see this can in the front? See this antenna right here, this round white thing?
Yeah.
All right, go around the back of my car.
Is it both direction also?
Yep, both the directions.
That's messed up.
Right here.
Oh, okay, I see, I see.
It's MPH.
Ah, okay.
That's the brand of it.
Interesting.
In the same lane, I can get two coming at me at the same time, either direction.
Gotta stay lit everywhere that we go.
Nice.
So, you military?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm burning up now that I stopped though. Humid as hell out here. I miss the desert already, I'll tell you that.
Throw her down, have a good day.
Oh, thanks, man.
Everything seems to be in order.
Yeah.
That's what, a lot of times when traffic stops, unless you're running 74 or over, all I really want to check on is license, proof of insurance.
Make sure that you're legit. Yeah, yeah.
Store down, have a good day, man.
All right, man. Thank you.
Now you know that 250 will do 72 mile an hour.
Yep. Should have seen what I hit in Texas then, because I was cruising at 102 on that flat shit. I'm used to it now. Oh.
FedEx send me a text that the package made. I got the packs if you got the racks. Twist up a zip on the left to relax. Dashing the gas when I'm out from that. Got it on me, nigga, know it's a fact. I got the dough, I'm like get the back in the road. Roll up a split to the face and
Good, sir.
Yes, sir.
To work. Work? And you're coming from school? Oh, well, probably. Do you need registration? Yep, just your driver's license. I already got your tag. Alright, so when you came out of the west deck, yes, is where you parked, which way did you turn? Left. Which way can you turn? There you go. That's why you're being stopped. Alright. Any reason why you turned right instead of left? It's easier to get to where I'm going from this way. Well, of course it is, but that's why you go out the other exit. Yes, there's two exits to the west deck, right? Step over here so we don't get back on the car, you'll hit pedestrians, people get hurt, you drop your bike. Yes, it's a nice bike. Thank you. Alright. I won't turn left again. No, I'm not there. Make sure there's not a number.
Yes.
Alright.
Yes, sir. Thank you. You too.